This is a Sony A7C. This is the camera we use in our studio to film all the videos you've been looking at. This is the AI DSLR from Ubiquiti, a security camera that used the exact same lens that we use for professional filming. Let's see how it works out in our next video on how this camera match versus this camera, and what's the advantages of using a professional lens in your security setup. As you can see here, we just started unboxing all of this stuff, so it's a quick behind the scene on our new show floor that we're gonna do a test here. It's very professional from Ubiquiti, so you have a lot of equipment to protect your camera if you do an outside install, so if it's raining or anything else. But for us, we're inside the gym. This is all I will say, and we will install the camera and show you the footage in just a few days. All right, see you guys on the next one.